Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're joining us for the first time, you're highly welcome. Or if you're a returning viewer, we love you. Thank you for always coming back to check out our channel. Anyways, today I'll be making egusi soup. So please stay to the end of the video and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Don't forget to like and don't forget to comment. Thank you. So these are my ingredients. I have yanopaja leaf, I have pepper, 1 tomatoes, 1 onions, I have my egusi, I have pomon, I have oil. Then I also have my seasoned turkey. So now I'll be starting with mixing my egusi with oil and water. So I would mix it all together till it forms a paste, and I'm going to set it aside after that. And yeah, I live in Nigeria and they will always want to show themselves. I was actually supposed to blend this pepper, tomato, onions, and everything together when NEPA decided to take the light. So because of that, now I had to go through the process of using asanka, the olden days way of grinding your stuffs when there was no blender yet. I don't know if there was blender at that time, but we used asanka. So yeah, I blended my pepper, onion, and 1 tomato together till it was smooth or close to smooth. Please, if you watched this place, let us know where you're watching from so we can make a shout out to you if you don't mind, and we can tell you thank you for watching. And if you've not subscribed to our channel yet, please don't forget to do so, and don't forget to like and turn on the notification bell if possible. So let's go into the main business. In a pot or pan, you're going to add your oil, and once it is hot, you get your egusi and you make it into lumps and start dropping it just like this. You drop your egusi inside your oil. So we are frying the egusi first before actually frying the pepper mix. That way the egusi will actually fry and fry well. This method will give your egusi a really nice taste, so you should try it. So don't forget to do this on medium low heat until it becomes crumpy, just the way you like it or the way you want it to be. I don't really like lumpy egusi, so I would make sure this is like breadcrumbs if possible, because I don't like lumpy egusi. So now I'm just going to be turning it and mixing it to scatter the lumps. But if you like lumpy egusi, just know the way you turn and you mix and you scatter so you don't scatter the whole lumps. So for this process, you can try using a non-sticky pot or a non-sticky pan so the egusi doesn't stuck to your pot or it doesn't get burnt. So you just continue to mix and mix and mix till it is scattered just the way you want it or just the way you like it. After it's well fried, you can scoop it out or set it aside. Then you get another pot or you use that same pot. Now you add your oil. After the oil, you add your onions. That's if you want, you can add your onions. After that, you add your pepper paste. The pepper paste I grinded, the pepper, 1 tomato, and 1 onions. I'll be adding everything to it at this point. Then after adding it, you make sure you mix it well together and make sure you're cooking on low heat so it doesn't burn before you're done. So after mixing it up together, if it's too dry, you can add a little bit of water. If not, you can just leave it like that and allow it to boil. So now I added my turkey water. After adding my turkey water, I'm adding my smoked fish. After adding the smoked fish, I'm going to add my pomo. After adding my pomo, I'm going to mix everything together and make sure it is well mixed. After mixing everything together, next I'm going to add a little bit of salt, just a pinch of salt to give it a little taste. Then I'm going to add maggi also, and after that I'll mix it well and make sure the ingredients is well mixed, and then I'll allow it to boil a bit or cook a bit. So I'm going to be covering it now just for a few minutes. After that, now I'm going to add my egusi. Remember, egusi drinks water, so make sure there's water by your side at this point, in case, just in case. So now I'm going to add my egusi, and I'm going to mix the egusi with the pepper paste and oil and everything. And as you can see now, there's no water in the pot again because the egusi has soaked everything. So now I'm going to add water to the pot till I'm okay with how it is, because I don't want it too thick and I don't want it too watery. So you have to be careful of the water you're adding also. After adding the water, now you mix the whole thing together, so ingredients is not one side and water is one side. And after that, you allow it to boil. After boiling, I added my yanokpaja leaf, and I didn't turn it immediately. After adding the leaf, I just covered the pot for a bit and I allowed it cook for a while before mixing it. Then after allowing it cook for a while, I added more salt because the salt I added before wasn't enough. If you don't know how to calculate your salt, please taste before adding more salt and more maggi to your soup. Make sure you taste first before adding more. Some people can tell the taste by the aroma, so if you know you can't do it that way, please make sure you taste before adding more maggi and more salt. Then now you can mix it together. Mix the whole ingredient with the soup together and still allow it to cook. But at this rate, I'll be adding my turkey to my soup. I'm burying the turkey inside the soup so that the turkey can also have taste of the soup in it. So I decided to add the turkey last, so I'll be able to like mix my ingredients well and all of that. But you can add your turkey anytime you want to add your turkey, but I decided to add mine last so I'll be able to mix my soup well. So now I'm done and the food is actually ready. Like at this point, come and see now, everywhere was already smelling nice. Like I'm done. So that's the end of our egusi video, and trust me, there are so many things you can eat with that egusi. You can eat it with rice, you can eat it with eba, you can eat it with semo, you can eat it with amala, anything you feel like. But I'll be eating mine with fufu. So thank you for staying with us on today's video, and please don't forget to check out the eating video where I'll be eating the egusi with fufu. Have a nice day. Bye.